So yeah, back to the guys. So the problem for, as you know, guys, my name is Ayush Kumar. My father name is Akis Yadav. I study in class 4 and I'm 10 years old. So basically, guys, as you know, that we having some problem like tomorrow. We are like you can say having a problem in which like I am make a video, but first I shoot with the camera, then I send this video to the YouTube. So the problem happened that the video has been two parts and I don't know how to mix them. And for mixing them, it takes some MB, and when it get mixed, and now it needs to get written in our gallery. So it also takes some time, and it takes more GB than before. So that's why, guys, I am making this today new video for all you guys, everybody. I'm going to tell you guys that if for a few days this will happening because due to I have a school, I'm going to school now. As you know, guys, I'm going to school for but tomorrow I will not go to school. And for tomorrow I can make video, and now I will try to take some time at night. This is night time, and I will take some 10 minutes, half hour a time to talk to you guys. And please, guys, like you can say, yeah, guys, please comment in my channel. And one more thing, guys, I saw that everybody in age is 38, 44. So yeah, guys, please comment. So I'm if you take my respect. So yeah, it is not for me. It is not benefiting for me. It is I am saying this all for you. So I can give you answer of this, guys. Like you guys having some problem in grammar, English. So you can ask me. That's why I'm trying to do my best to add comment in my YouTube. So yeah, guys, please, I am doing my best, and you guys please just still supporting me. So yeah, let's back to the topic. So topics is today that I'm going to tell about how was my day in my school. So first up, I was woke up with my hands rising like this, and then I go for washing my face. Then I got little bit rest because after washing my teeth and washing my face, I just little bit rest. Then few minutes later, my mom has cooked the food. I ate it, and some person will be wonder what I ate it. So it was, you can say, cauliflower and potato sabji. You can say vabji. And yeah, after that, then I eaten the dinner. Then I goes to bathroom for that a little bit time, and then I come back my home and then wear the clothes of school, uniform dress, and then I go for my or for wearing my shoe. And after wearing my shoe, I goes to school. So yeah, this is the end of how I get up and how I ready for school. Now the parts come that how I go to school and how do I do in school. So basically, today was like Wednesday. Yeah, I'm making this video on Wednesday. So today it is Wednesday. So yeah, today was everybody doing prayer. After the prayer assembly, you can say prayer assembly. Yeah, after that I goes to class. Yeah, it is like math. So yeah, basically, guys, as you know, in math I have 5 class math and 4 class. Right now I'm 4 class and having a 5 class math, so I can being more smarter. Like if I go to 5 class, I don't have any like stress of doing this hard thing. I have already done them. So yeah, it is for easy for me. And some of them think no, he's lying. So yeah, I will prove it. So guys, wait a second. I'm going to pause this video for a little, and coming from taking two of the book. One is 4 class, means which class I'm right now, and one is 5 class. It is Agas Agrawal book of math that having in my math. Okay, so guys, wait a second. So yeah, okay, I have been back. So as you can see, I have two of the book. One is 4 class and one is 5. Look, let me see. So it is 5 class. It is Agar Sarbarar, and this is my school. This is my school books, and this is my home book that I study in tuition or in my home. You can see by like how I protecting this by the cover and the sticker of name. But in this I didn't even protect, not even name. Only thing I have done is this stickers. So yeah, back to the topic. So yeah, basically, so ma'am didn't never ask me any question in math because she know that I have been learn all of the thing in math and also in SST. So nothing is said. After that, then it is SST period. In SST, I just chill, like nothing I do. Only thing that I was chilled, and my all person was hesitate. OMG, this is hard. I can't give answer of it. And one more thing, guys, if you want to make videos of Hindi or English or combination, you can comment me in my comment section, and I will like to like. Okay, guys. So don't see my dad. It is actually just my dad coming. So yeah, he was hiding because he thinks that my video got mad. So nothing worried. Come here. It is not worried. Oh, he was scared of showing his face. He thought that my video got bad for my phone. So it is not worried. So yeah, it was my dad. It is little bit funny. Sorry for that interruption. Don't look at behind on my background. Don't you think it is fake? It is all my real background. And please don't be like really serious about my dad background. Just continue on the topic. So yeah, if you have any problem, which language do I speak? So yeah. So after that, it is English period, and that time, in tomorrow a new teacher come. He's told us everything in wrong way. So yeah, new teacher, our back old teacher comes and he teaches rightly and complain about that teacher, and then he got suspended and he didn't come back to the school. So yeah, then it was like lunch period. We all having our lunch, and yeah, this today lunch was very quickly. So nobody can lunch that properly or perfectly. You can say can't eat all the food he have. And now it is like a period of science. It is now science period. So yeah, in science period, like it was only very moodly type, very boring type. Everybody was laying, and then ma'am asked questions. So everybody answer because science is like a class in which everybody is very excited, very honest, and I forget you guys to tell about my school. Like my school name is Kilka High School, and one more thing, I have 8 students in my school. Like Aradhya Kumari, it is a girl. She is a girl. Aradhya Kumari, then Ananya Pandey, Abhishek, Asmit, and one more. What's her name? Srishti, Anisa, and what? Ridham, and me. Yeah. After counting me, including me also, it is 8. So yeah, back. So this is how our, and the dumbest, or you can say the stupid in our class is Abhishek, Ridham, and Anisa. Abhishek is little bit good in math, little bit, not good. Because he focus on it, but sometimes he's not that focused like me, because his English he only practice on this, not, and I practice on 5. So yeah, and then it was like Hindi period, and our Hindi period goes nothing. Yeah, because ma'am some problem or issue was in there. That's why ma'am has not come. Whole period we guys sitting, saying please, I guess no ma'am not come. We were playing or shouting a lot. Then the what period it is? Oh, I forget. Before science, before Hindi, it was computer. In computer we do lab, we do such a lots of things. Abhishek is the stupid. He always beat me. And if somebody says to beat me na, I will beat him like a crazy. He will go crazy. He will never say something to me again. So yeah, but still because he will got harm, so that's why. So yeah, that's why I didn't do anything to him. Sorry, not her. It is a little bit grammar. So yeah, after that, yeah, it is computer lab over. It is bell has rang. In Hindi period, we do nothing. The game period, and it was very boring. The boring class in this was game period because today ma'am was not feeling well. That time ma'am was sick. That's why he didn't come. And now he's little bit okay, but still not feeling well. So yeah, that's why he didn't let us play. He just play in our class. So in class, it is like my home, like you can see it is like this type, only that much space it is, and half of the full of benches and tables and blackboard, so it is no space. So somebody playing rock paper, somebody tic-tac-toe, and somebody like girls using his big brain, and others doing something else. So yeah, this thing is the almost thing that I was saying. And please guys, if you don't, you will never see my video like very currently after one day, then after one day. I will try to do this, try to make videos. Don't be worried. But yeah, I will. But I can't do properly, because yeah, you can say I will go to school. I will come at 2 p.m. or 3 p.m. and then it is 4, and at 4 o'clock my ma'ams come and teach me, tuition ma'am, and then after that I eat, then my father come, and then after eating I just watch some TV. Only studying is not good for our health, so yeah, that's why I also use TV. Like today is nothing. Tomorrow will be Sunday. I will not go to school. So yeah, today I'm going to watch TV for a long with my dad. Dad, come on, please, Dad. No, he don't say. Oh my God. Okay, fine, guys. He having hair. Hair is lost. So that's why he's shameful. In that video you see his cap on, so yeah, he was worried. So my audience are very kind, Papa. Guys, I am speaking Hindi to my dad, okay? Okay, Dad, okay. Everybody see you. So guys, I'm so sorry for that. Don't be laugh. Man, if you laugh with me, I will never talk to you again, guys. So please don't laugh at my dad. So yeah, actually the problem is my dad is having hair problem, like he doesn't have hair. So yeah, he was hiding them for all. And also he was wearing just you can say t-shirts. So yeah, he did trouser. So yeah, he did. That's why not coming. Look, he is not come after wearing. So this is my dad.
Hello,
guys.
Friend.
So basically you guys know that my father doesn't have a good English. So yeah, Dad, what do you think? Oh my God, you are hurting my leg. So yeah, what about Dad, do you want to do conversation or something else? Conversation. So guys, we are going to do conversation. Yeah, guys, if you like to like our conversation, you can comment us to do more about conversation. We will topic on that. So yeah, guys, before we start anything, attention and sit on your chair, or if you are watching me while lying, then be comfortable, because now we having conversation with my dad, not you guys. I'm so sorry, we are not having conversation with you. You guys will be see then. Okay, तो पापा आपको मैंने थोड़े I have been trained my dad for 5 or 3 days when I was making videos, and then after lost because I was going to school, as you know guys. So जैसा कि पापा मैंने आपको जितना ट्रेन किया है, I am speaking Hindi to my dad because he can't speak that far. He can only start conversation. Okay, so don't worry. So ready? याद कर लो. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you. Sorry, I am fine. I am also fine.
Guys, my hard work goes stress. Yeah, it is. Like, I have been told him like for a very serious type, very hardly, and he got lost of all of the thing. So I'm not going to mad at her. It is also not his problem. You can say due to his, like, he's having lots of like pressure of the family, business, job. So yeah, guys.
मैं अगली बार ट्राई करूँगा.
No. So yeah, guys, we will make conversation next video. Do you want to in this video or next video?
अगली वीडियो में.
Sure. So guys, my dad will be practice a lot because he now want to be now to improve you guys, show you that yeah, my dad can speak English. So guys, and what was the releasing time? So yeah, this will be like a super hit film, you can say, like it was very story type. So it will be released on, what was the day today? Yeah, it will release on tomorrow, 6 what is going on, 6 November 2025. So yeah guys, so yeah, it will be coming tomorrow, yesterday, yeah, sorry, tomorrow. Okay guys, so this is the end of this video, and if you have any problem guys, you can ask me. So goodbye guys, see you later, and having any problem, bye bye guys. And wait a second guys, I'm saying please comment me if you have questions. So goodbye guys, goodbye to my dad also. Okay, bye bye.